In this video, I'll cover easy ways to make money online with digital products. If you're new to my channel, my name is Charles Draven. I operate a website called infospike.com, and I focus on helping people earn passive income online. If you're into this content, make sure that you like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started here. So what are digital products? They are items you create and sell online that exist entirely in digital form. Examples include ebooks, templates, and online courses. These products are popular because they have low cost to create and can be sold repeatedly without extra effort. Selling digital products is a great way to establish revenue streams and grow your savings. Why digital products work? You could eliminate inventory and shipping hassles, making them easy to scale. You create them once and they can generate income for years. This model allows you to focus on creating value while your products work in the background. They offer a flexible way to cultivate financial growth without needing a physical storefront. Here is one of the big items that I started off selling, and this is electronic books, ebooks. It's just a simple way to share knowledge and turn a profit. You could write about topics you know well, such as hobbies, skills, and solutions to common problems. You could use free tools like Google Docs and Canva to create your book and cover. Platforms like Amazon, KDP, or Gumroad make it easy to sell your ebook and reach readers worldwide. Design printable products. Printables are digital files that buyers can download and print at home. Popular options include planners, calendars, and wall art. You start with tools like Canva, design your products and sell them on platforms like Etsy. By solving specific needs such as helping with organization or event planning, you can establish cash flow with minimal effort. I want to say that with printables and the last one, ebooks, it's easier to sell if you push the content, these digital products, on websites that have pre-existing traffic. So like the last one, I mentioned Amazon, and then in this case, I mentioned Etsy. I've tried both, and both they can get a lot of people because they do have an existing audience. And once you put your product in those marketplaces, people will search for them. So let's go ahead and talk about the next one. You could build online courses. If you have expertise in any topic, create an online course to teach others. You could record simple videos using your phone and organize your lessons into structured course. You could use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to host and sell your course. Focus on solving a specific problem for learners, such as teaching a new skill or improving a process. I'd say the biggest difference between Teachable and Udemy is that Udemy, they have like these flash sales. So what happens is that the product value, it gets reduced greatly. So you don't want to sell very high-end courses. You want to sell courses that can be priced close to $10. And the courses I've sold, I usually price them at like, let's say $20, $27. And then when they have their sales, it goes down to like roughly about $10. So keep that in mind because I know some people, they got frustrated in the past because they price their courses like, let's say, close to $100, and then they find out that Udemy will sell them for $9. So it's just something to keep in mind. Sell digital templates. Save time for businesses and individuals, making them valuable. Examples include website layouts, social media graphics, and presentation designs. You could focus on creating templates that are both customizable and easy to use. Platforms like Creative Market or your own website can help you sell your templates and multiply your assets. And people do this on Etsy as well. Create audio products like meditation guides, sound effects, or music loops, and those have extremely strong markets. You can start with basic recording equipment such as a USB microphone, bundle related tracks to increase their value and appeal to buyers. Platforms like Bandcamp and Audio Jungle make it simple to connect with customers and establish revenue. Develop digital tools. Simple tools like spreadsheets, calculators, or scripts can solve specific problems for buyers. Even without coding skills, you can create valuable resources using tools like Excel or Google Sheets. Focus on solving clear problems such as manage schedules or tracking expenses. Clear instructions will help your customers use your tools effectively. Here's an example. I purchased this one product last year and it used Google Sheets. And all it was a way to use formulas and some macros. So I would put in some information about products I was promoting. And then after calculating, it would provide a wide variety of X.com, like tweets for social media. It would actually auto-generate those based off of the information I entered. So I thought it was a very useful tool to come up with a whole bunch of social media ideas. And that was done just using Google Sheets. And this is a little bit more advanced than the other ones, but if you are into coding or more technical ways to create products, this might be for you. And the whole idea here is to start small and grow. You begin with one digital product that fits your skills and interests. You could test it by offering to a small audience and gather feedback. Use what you learn to improve or expand your offerings over time. With patience and consistency, you can scale your success and multiply your assets through digital product sales. If you want to learn more about what I do, I help people generate income streams online, and it's a very simple process. I provide a free PDF you could grab. Just go ahead and check out the link in my description to learn more. My name is Charles Draven. Thanks for checking out this InfoSpike video.